Alright, chat, we back. You know? Now you gotta add the special sauce like this, man. You gotta do it like that, man. What a birdie. Flip that motherfucker. Sure, the garlic balance is on the steak. What? Yup. Smell good, man. It smell good, man. You feel what I'm saying? It smell good. You just have to keep this bitch rolling. Have to keep this bitch rolling, chat, because the video ended. So you know we back. Back in the flesh, man. Cooking with TT. This is part 2 to part 1. You feel what I'm saying? 2 parts. You know we're cooking what was this again? The sirloin steak. Tell y'all, well done. You gotta eat it well done, man. And you gotta add the seasoning, because if you're not sneezing, there's not enough seasoning, man. Learn that from the great Chef O'Nasty, gang. What am I, birdie? So you know we just doing a fork method, check the fork method. So all the juices and it can balance to the flavor. You feel what I'm saying? Guy Perry, Guy Ramsey can never be me, man. That's what they wish to be. Chef Boy OD can never be me. What a birdie. Gotta have it well done, man. Sheesh. Look at that fine, well done steak right there, man. Oh yeah, like these. Gotta do a scoop method, man. You didn't think I knew about that method, did you? Yup. I'm a chef, man. This is what I do. It's in the genes, man. It's in the genes, man. It's just in the genes, man. There we go. Gotta get that blood spilling out, man. That blood spilling out. It's not looking too bad, man. You said what? Oh yeah, come out more? Yeah. Mm-hmm. And I like my shit well done. Gotta have it well done. If it's not well done, then it's not done at all, man. I'm telling you. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. First time cooking a steak. Let me know what we should do next. I'm thinking chicken wing, lemon pepper wings would be tough. Lemon pepper wings would be fire. I'm thinking I'm gonna do them next, bro. Feel what I'm saying, shot? We still rolling? But telling you, gang. Got my mic on, so y'all probably can't even hear the grease on. But you know, we cooking it up, man. Everything's on low. Gotta do back to the fork method, man. And you know the scoop method, only professional chefs know the scoop method, man. So like a connoisseur like myself, I know the scoop method, man. And you know we put the garlic in there. Check that shit out. Boy. On the edge. You about to make this shit fall. Look at you, you burned yourself. Bro, I know what I'm doing, G. Oh, shit. You know it's not too bad, not too bad. Right here. It's a little bit. What you think about that? I feel like it's almost there. Yeah. Probably like a few more minutes. And we should be good, man. We should be good. TT's cooking, man. What a birdie. Or cooking with TT is what I'm going to call it. Part 1 and 2, because I got to add both videos in there. Because, you know, the camera accidentally ended. Because I got to get me a real camera, but we just using the iPhone 16 right now, man. Because I don't got me a real camera, so I can't continue. You feel what I'm saying? You said what? Look at that. Mm-hmm. Not really. Probably a few more minutes. Just a few. Gotta make sure it's well done. You feel what I'm saying? Because if it's pink, it's not eatable. And that's on my birdie. So you know we gotta keep on going. Just a little bit more. And we should be good, man. Let me see what that motherfucker looking like. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there, man. Oh yeah, look at that. If it's not brown, it's not done. What a birdie. Mm-hmm. Get that lift action, man. You know? That's not too shabby, man. Tell you, I'm a master. What a birdie. First time cooking. I think we're gonna do some lemon pepper wings next, bro. But you know that requires getting my hands dirty. Mm-hmm. Smell like that vodka out in here, man. Smell like that Calabasas in here, man. You know what? Yeah, see, I know what I'm doing, man. Learn from the great Chef O Nasty. Shout out Cash, man. Taught me how to do things. It's about to be messy in here, man. I did already. Mm. You think it's good? All right, let me get one last little. This one? Why a white plate? Oh. Yeah, I knew that. Anyways. Yeah, look at that, man. Boy. Get that. Actually, I'm gonna use this and use this. Actually, no, I can't use this because that's salmonella. Gotta give me a new one. Different knife. Mm. Hold on, now. Let me get this right here, man.